Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic and Best Car Fixes. Today we have this car here, 2015 Nissan Sentra, right? And we have a problem all the time that the air flow meter sensor, it gives you a code, and the problem is that it have a sensitivity inside the computer software. Even though you change a new one, the P0101 still keep coming, and they recommend that sensor have to be replaced, and after you replace it, you have to update the engine computer software to the latest software. Now we're gonna start turning our ignition on, start the car. The code is maybe still there, but we're gonna delete the code. And then you must have internet. If you don't have internet, it will not work. So I'm gonna be sure that I have internet. Turn the light off. Okay. Where is our internet? It's here. Be sure that it's connected. Oh, Meineke internet. Okay, so we go. I'm gonna come here. I will open my Console 3 Plus. We do the diagnose first, and then we go to programming to see if there is any programming available for this car. We'll put all the windows up to eliminate the noise. So I'm going to go to diagnose and show you what code we are talking about. So I'm going to go to the engine. Then we'll put the AC on at least. This one will take us to the engine control module to check what code that we are talking about. The sensitivity, the computer is very sensitive. Sometime, or the sensitivity of the airflow meter sensor will be the computer will calculate it as the airflow meter sensor is bad. Also, there is a CV the CV PCV valve. You see here, this is a code P0101. This is what causing all this trouble. Even if you change it with a new one, still you have to do it. So I'm gonna go save. You can erase it. Ignition is on. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna delete this code, but this code is, you can erase it, but it's gonna come back in a few. So I'm gonna go back home first. Please subscribe, share, and like. And then I will go to reprogramming and configuration. Click here. Sometimes there is no update. Nissan Sentra S 2015. You're gonna wait here till this populate, and then you click next. You see Sentra 2015, how it look like. Click next, and then after, you have to log into it. You have to use a username password to log into it, and you cannot do this one without have access to the internet. There are some people say that they have a pass-through device that can do all access to the manufacturer. No, you can use it as a pass-through device, but you will not be able to get the file or the software free. Some cars, they sell you the software by VIN number. So what you need to program, I want to program the engine. Sometimes there is no software available. Charging system is programming. You see, that's the programming that they say. Let me see something here. I'm gonna go to the next. You have to agree with the software and then go to the next. Yes, we have an update, you see. Current part number, T8 boy. Part number after programming, T9 boy. So we need to do one thing now. Charging is not enough. The charging is not enough. We need to charge it more, because I start the car is 13.7. So I'm gonna go next. The car is running. You cannot program the car while the car is running. So we're gonna turn the key off. One will go away. I turn the key off, engine off. Now I have what I have now. There is still load, heater, fan switch, this one. Turn it off, it's gonna go. If I put the AC on, it come on. Now, and if it's on, you cannot go. So now everything is okay. I have 12.2. I don't want it to go less. I have to be sure the charging is normal. Also, we need to go down here, copy the password, because soon it's going to give you permission to access into the password of your Nissan software. I'm going to copy that and keep it with me. Let me show that the charge is charging. Is it charging? Let me see what charge is charging. 6 volts. It's not low. I go up a little bit. See, hopefully it's not going to be too much. Because if you don't have enough charging, it's no good. You must have a charging system correctly. Yes, now 12.5 is good. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna click start. You know that it's gonna ask me to log. You need authentication. Yes. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna put my username, password here soon. See? I did the authentication, and now he said 10 minutes. So we're gonna wait for 10 minutes, and then the programming is done and everything is good. This is using the dealer tools, but you can use NER. NER also is one of the aftermarket, pass-through. You can use your pass-through device and you do anything that you want to do with it. Like an 80% now. The VIN number is here, Conscious 3 Plus. My friend asked me last time, Hamush, about where I can get the software and Conscious 3 Plus. You have to go to Nissan USA and then look for the part there. It's available there. I don't know how much cost, but the interface is available. This interface here, it's only for the newer cars. It will not do the older cars. It's very funny. And the older cars may not do the newer cars. So just try to be sure. There is one interface like this that you're looking for, not this one. Okay, we're almost there, 98%, good, 100%. Now everything 100%. Good. Program complete. Turn OK to continue. Communication is the issue. Please wait. You have to wait. Do not try to turn the key off. 10 seconds. Turn on. Click next. Start the car to do the idle learn. Now start it. This is the idle air learn. If everything is okay, it will turn here to complete. You're gonna wait a little bit. Also, I see the check engine light come back. You see here, it's complete. So it's done. I'm gonna go back. Turn the key on, off, 10 seconds. On, 2 seconds. Off, 10 seconds. You're gonna put on 3 times, off 1, 2, 3 times. So on 2 seconds, 1, 2, off 10 seconds. On 2 seconds, off. Now on, start the car. Turn the ignition off. Erase. I'm gonna erase all this code now. The programming is done, and you see here before and after. You can copy it, you can take a picture, up to you. Say home. I'm gonna start the car now. Everything is done. Let me start the car 2 times. This is the first time. Take it off. Second time. I don't want to check engine light come on. Let me go back again to diagnose if there's anything in the history. Engine. I don't believe there is anything now. But also they say that if you have the PCV valve, let me turn this one off. So check the PCB valve. I want to see what is the PCB. Okay, this PCB valve, if it's yellow, they say you have to change it with the black one. So this is good. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.